guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this maze run game. So you can see it is worked by the cat, and in this video I will show you how to make this game. So in this video I will just show you the concepts of walking and the walking with scratch, and if right key press, left key press, or the touching the maze or touching the goal. So you can see if I touch the maze, it is not going outside. So the steps, so today I'm going to just show you the steps how to do like that. So I have already made it, but I will show you how to make that. Before that, if till now you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified to my upcoming videos. So the subscribe button should look like this. Thank you. So now let's start our game. So to start our game, let me make a new and don't save. So now our cat is too big. So let's decrease its size like. So let me decrease it one more time. I think it's very small. Okay, so let me grow it one more time. So like that. So this is our perfect. So now we will add this maze. You can draw the maze. It's okay, but this is a video of tutorial how to make this. So I found a maze on Google here. So I will share this link in the description. So make sure to check the description. So here are many maze images. I have selected this maze images. There are 8 maze images. I have selected this maze images and downloaded it. So let me show you. So I will click on the uploads right from the file, and it will show me this folder, and here there is my games and the media backgrounds, indoors, and here I have selected maze image. So you can download it and save it. So if you found a maze image in the Google, it will not work because Google images are of JPG. The PNG images will work in Scratch. So our cat size is okay. So now we will add a goal. So let's add a goal. So let me increase its size and take the rectangle tool, and here I will make this, and I will click on shift and I will make a goal like that. So here is our goal, and okay, it's perfect size for the goal. So now I will pick like that. So now we will do code. So first let me change the name of it to player, and you have to set rotation style to left and right, because if you will not set that, you have to every time just set rotation style, take this and drag it over in the code. But we have to not do that. So I will suggest you to set the rotation style by clicking on the eye, and here we have to set the rotation style like that. So now in the sprite 2, we will make this goal. So let me make this goal, and now we will add some scripts in the player. So let me go to events, when green flag click, control, and forever. So this is a basic concept of moving. So here if key, so we are now doing the right arrow is pressed, motion point in direction towards 90, so right, and here we will add change X because change X is more effective. So let me take 2 change X and 2 change Y, because change X will be the right and left, and Y should be the up and down. Change X by 4, so positive number. Also we want to add another if statement over here, because we want to add if it touches the maze. So if touching maze, so it should go in the alternate direction. So we will take the change X and make it -4. So like that. Now you can simply duplicate this and drag it over. So let me take this over here, and now I will drag this over here, and I will duplicate this and drag this over here. So it's a bunch of code, but in duplicate method you can make it a small. So in here we will make this left arrow, and here we will make this minus 90, and here we will change x by minus 4, and here we will make this 4. And now here is our change x is not required because this is the code of up arrow, so we will drag it like that. So but we want change y, so let me duplicate this like that and make this minus 4, and here we will make this 4, and here touch key up arrow is pressed, and now here we don't require change x by minus 4, we will drag this over here, change y by minus 4, and so it's perfect. So okay, so here we want to change it 0 up, and here also we will make this down arrow, and here we will take this like that, and take this and take this, and we will drag this here and here, and also this one. So get rid of that. So change y by 4, and we will duplicate this, and it should be minus 4. So here is our change y by. So we will drag this over here, because minus 4 will be down arrow and 4 will be the maze, so if touching the maze. So this is our bunch of code, but we have to another time add something that will be our next costume, because you can see it has 2 costumes. So let me minimize that. So you can see it has 2 costumes, this costume and this costume, running costumes. So we want to take next costume and duplicate and duplicate. So now let me drag this here, and over here. So now let me clean up, and I will show you the code, so you can sometime you can see the coding. So I have zoomed in, you can see that coding. So now after that we will go to control and take the if statement another time and drag it over here, and we will go to sensing and touching the goal. So if touching the goal, it should say something. So let me take say you won. So for 1.5 seconds, and now we will make this to so say you won for 1.5 seconds, then we will stop all. So you can see here is the stop all option. In the first you will go to the control, and in the control you will go to the stop all option like that. So now I've tracked the stop all. So here is our bunch of code. So you can see the bunch of the codes: right arrow, then the left arrow, then the up arrow, then the down arrow, and here touching the goal. And also the in between there are maze, if touching maze. So now let's check our game. So let me go this over here. Let me start this again. So you can try this. So you can see it's a bit lagging because we want to make the size of the cat to 1 more time small like that. So now it should not lag. Another thing we have to add. So we want when our sprites when our players should start over here. So you can see the x and y direction you have to not see over here, because you have to not see over here, because we can see that here. So let me show you. So here you can see x6 y minus 172. So now we will drag that. So go to x and y minus 172. So now our code is ready. So let's check. So first it will go here, and now it will start like that, and here. So I will try to complete this so you can watch. And So this is a simple game you can make like that, and here like that, like that. Oh, I think it's a big maze. So you can choose the maze that I have shared you the. So I will share you the link in the description. The maze of the images, the maze where you can choose the PNG maze images. So like that, and here you can do like that, and here like that, here. Okay, so you can try this, and when it touches you won and stop on. So like that you can do. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified to my upcoming videos, and share this to your belongings. Thank you.